as you can see, I'm painting. So we just forgot to record. My mom forgot. So I'm actually painting right now. I'm designing it. And what do you think, guys, of my design? Do you like it? Comment below. So it's okay to me if you say this, because all I matter is just my fans and subscribers. It's just okay if you don't like my subscribers. So let's decorate this one. Let me retake this color. Guys, my color is turning gray. I can see you cry. It makes me smile. It makes me smile. Guys, if you have a leftover box and you have paint, if you don't have paint, you can just use my color. Wait. Read the rock dancing. Oh, I think we got. Oh yeah. Touches. Just to finish the touches. So I understand that this part is the last number. My hands are like grimace! Oh, okay. This is regular color, by the way. Done. Now we're going to reset a little bit. Let's do the other side. Let's do the other side blue again. I cannot ruin my design. Okay. So I'll show you the final results after they dry. I think they will dry in like 2 minutes or something, or 4 minutes. You can wait for 2 minutes, 2 hours, well, not 2 hours, sorry. Guys, I'm sorry how I colored this. It looks ruined. Looks like a haunted mansion. But actually this is a box. It's a Nutella beer. Nutella beer. Yeah. If you don't have it, go to Philippines. Or you can get it in another country. If you're in another country, please.
Sa Walter Mart?
What?
Sa Walter Mart?
Walter Mart? What's Walter Mart?
Walter Mart ba yan?
Walmart?
Walmart.
My mom is vlogging me. My mom is vlogging me. She's holding her phone. I have a tablet. You can buy the new big TV. Like she buy the cinema. Am I right? She buy the cinema? Okay.
She buy the cinema.
I think it's just a big TV. Big TV. Okay, let's rest this first. So let's rest it. We're just going to like we're going to wait for it. So my mom is watching, like the sound of the Bud Cinema. The Bud Cinema Road got copyrighted because my mom is watching Naruto. It's big. Our drawing just, it's the beautiful.
You can re-upload that again naman.
Yeah.
You have to edit lang the sounds. So, hindi nila marinig yung Naruto.
Guys, I just painted myself as Naruto. So we're going to let it dry for 1 minute.
Can I take a picture with you and your artwork? How about the other side? 1, 2, 3, smile.
Is still recording?
Yes.
How are you picturing and still recording? Guys, I forgot to Okay, I don't know how to draw.
You don't need to to paint inside.
Ano po yung 5% minus 5%?
Discounted.
Hindi. Yung tataas yung power.
Plus.
Ayan.
Hmm. What are you going to do with your artwork?
I am going to put my stuff inside. Or it's going to be cut. Don't worry guys, it's not going to be colored. I wasted all my money. For that, diba yung dollhouse, right? The paper doll. Yeah, paper doll. So, here's the final results. And I have blue finger. Is this a lip balm or something? Okay, I think it's fake. Yeah. And guys, this is the final result. Guys, we're going to add merch when we reach 3K subscribers. That's a paid over. Okay. Guys, do you like us to get merch now or like on 2K or 3K or 4K? So, at 5K, my mom will give me money games. Am I right? Money games. So, get ready for that. So,
I will give you a sample of your merch.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so if you do want this thing, then we will like, please send the notifications and please. So I think this is the final results, and my blue finger is still here. Okay, look how dirty my hands are. I should wash them after recording. It looks like I'm turning into Blue Grimace. Oh my god, my hands are sticky now. Okay. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Because we're almost on 2K. See you guys next time. Bye, and see you in the next video. Bye, and turn on that notification sound so you don't miss our newest videos.